Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can get Microsoft PowerPoint for free. Without wasting any time, let's dive in. On your PC, jump to the browser and search for office.com. You will see an interface like this. Click on sign in and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have Microsoft account, you can simply create one by clicking on create, or you can simply sign in with your Microsoft account. Then click on state sign in if you want to sign in into this side, and here again click on sign in and it will sign in into the Microsoft 365 web app. And here you can see we have the bunch of different apps. Today we just care about Microsoft PowerPoint, so I will simply click on PowerPoint and it will open the Microsoft PowerPoint for me. Here you can see below you have a list of different templates available and you can use them whatever you want, and I can upload a file from my computer, as you know that. So I will simply click on create a blank PowerPoint presentation and it will open the PowerPoint app for me. And here you have the bunch of different options available at the top: home, insert, draw, design. You can get different designs as well. You can apply different transitions, you can apply animations, you can enjoy the slideshow as well. You can have the bunch of all the options that the Microsoft PowerPoint desktop apps provide you. Here you will see the designer that you can use in your slides to make them look attractive. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.